Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, bringing you a market analysis for the week beginning uh, November 8th, and it's going to be an interesting one. Right now price is going to open here this week, and it'll be interesting to see where it goes. I am looking for this to be a resistance, whether it holds or price does push above one more time and then finds resistance above. Really just have to wait and see. So keeping an eye on 47.34 to 47.30, we'll call it. And then keep an eye on this possible lower support. Maybe it supports in here around that 46.60 level. That could be a thing. Maybe 46.80. But, looking for that potential to come lower. And we do want to keep an eye anywhere. You can argue 4600 or 4610 up to 4621 half. So that's kind of what I'm watching, that little area there. If price is able to move up, I would think it would come down a little bit first. And then if it is able to get over that red line at that 47.34 half level, or 47.35, whatever you want to call it, we do have an area above at 49.38. 48.50 could be a thing. 4800, if it's going to push up one more time and have that larger pullback, that's kind of what I would look for. So really just have to wait and see. But right now these are the levels I'm watching. 47.35 above and 46.10 below, and one of those is going to be interesting. But keep an eye on that 46.80 level initially. If it's going to go lower, keep an eye on 46.80, 46.60, just as intermediary levels. I would think that this one would be a pretty decent level if it's going to come down. And then, we do have 45.60 below us, 45.47 half. So we do have those levels below as well. So if it is going to start that larger pullback, I would think everything would be contained above this zone, and whether that's up here or down here, you really just have to wait and see. Maybe price does continue higher this week and it comes down and pushes up, and then maybe later on in the week or next week it start to get a little bit of a larger pullback. But even after that, I think we're going to much higher highs. If we stop around here or down here and have that larger pullback, probably targeting this towards the end of the month, maybe something like that. Could be going into next month, and then from there we'll see another pullback, and then we'll go even higher. I don't know if I have a thing on the chart. Somewhere up here, could be around this zone, could be slightly higher. We'll have to make a target whenever we see that. But right now, just keep an eye on this level here, and if this does break, keep an eye on this zone. If price were to get below this 45.13 level, it could be getting really, really bad. But I would expect it to stay over 4600, 4610, 4640, and keep an eye on these just in case. If they do support, I don't think they're big levels, but they could turn into them. So keep an eye on those, and we'll see what happens. It should be a very interesting week. And right now I don't have like a strong bias one way or the other. I would like to see a pullback, but we haven't seen one so far, and the market has just been crazy bullish, and I think that's going to continue. It just, what's it going to do in the meantime between like point A and point B to get to C? So that's kind of the question. Excuse my voice, a little bit under the weather, but it is a trading week, and Monday's my favorite day because then we get to start trading. So Monday's been my favorite day for a long time. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this. If you have a different analysis, a different thought process, feel free to put them in the comments below. We can start a conversation if you want. And with that, have an awesome week. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you in the markets. Take care.